Good morning. Did you guys know that you can order security lights through your utility company, through your light company? Well, if you have a dark area on your land, your lot, or in front of your home, just go to your light company's website and do some research, or even give them a call and just let them know that you would like to brighten up the area in front of your home because it's a security risk. Of course, we have cameras around the property, but just driving up to the land, right here in our spot, you can see over there, if we didn't have a light put up here, it would be very dark. So we actually put a light on that tree right here, but it's nothing in comparison to the two lights they just recently put up right here. So check it out. Contact your light company and see if they can add security lights for you. Now, we did two lights and we had them to point them in two different directions. One direction on pointing in the left side of the driveway, and the other one is pointing on the other side. So that way at night when it's really dark, the entire front of our house or property, it lights up, so it's not as dark as it used to be, especially if you're coming in late sometimes. It's just a safety measure. And plus, if you have cameras on the front of your house or any part of your property and you have the security lights as an added measure to capture everything, it's a plus. All right, let me know what you guys think. If you find this information helpful, like and share. Take care.